Look out, look out.
Starting line, I got a burnout box.
Hold on, hey man, I like where you are, boy. You know I had to come by you, boy. Y'all want to do something to him? Do something nasty to him, man. Fuck him up. Boy, what the fuck you talking about, boy? Night. Boy, goddamn Triggerman, a bad man, boy. I swear, boy, people go and fuck with Triggerman, boy. This shit gonna get, I bet this mother be over 20,000 views in a week, man. The man on fire, man. This it, y'all. No more talk. This is it. This is it. This is it. I promise you, this is it. Now we put a stamp on this shit. Who is the baddest? Well, everybody say Kiesha over here on this goddamn wall over here. After this rain, I'm going straight to the wall now. Oh, let's light this thing up. Oh, what I'm talking about, man. Oh, yeah, you good, you good. Oh, yeah. Kiesha. Little Larry. For a whole lot. And we got bragging rights to go with that shit. We're gonna find out who the baddest today. Man! Well, Trigger, you a bad motherfucker. Put some respect on that man's name. Hold on! Shit, that's something high gear. No more talk. This is it. What's not that cowboy that all still all glad the baddest in the world. That motherfucker did this out there. Hold on. What's not that cowboy that motherfucker? Who is the baddest? Watch out, don't do that, boy. You better plan a kid's plate. Hold over. Shit, that's something high gear. All still all glad the baddest in the world. Yeah, you good, you good.
Look out, look out.
Make sure you tell your friend, tell your partner, tell your uncle. The one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he subscribed too.